Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and like many of you, I'm sure, I have been really concerned with boosting my immune system. That's why I started taking this Zinc Quercetin blend from Sandus. I have been taking this for a few weeks now, and you just take 2 of the capsules daily, so it's pretty easy to keep up with. I do recommend taking it with a meal. It does say to do so on the bottle, but if you don't, you might end up a little bit queasy. I know that's something that I dealt with when I took it a few hours after eating instead of taking it with eating. So to me, that lets me know that it is something that's very potent and is going to work. I've been happy with the results so far. I do have 2 kids, and I also babysit for 2 other kids, so germs are in and out of my house constantly. I did catch 1 cold, but I am happy to say that it just stayed in my nasal cavity and it never went down into my chest. Obviously, I can't make any claims for it, but it definitely couldn't have hurt that I had been taking this already when I caught this cold. If you've been looking for a dietary supplement that is geared towards boosting your immune system and also helping to support respiratory health, then the Zinc Quercetin is a wonderful blend to try out. And that's my point of view.